Today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Alabama. So the first thing that you have to do as a seller is you must complete the assignment section on the back of the Alabama title. Include the VIN, odometer reading, sale price, and date. Every person listed as an owner must sign and print their name for the transfer to be valid. Next is make sure that you gather important documents with you when you visit a county office. And that includes the completed original title, proof of Alabama auto insurance, the buyer's driver's license or ID, proof of residency, and payment for all fees and taxes. These items are required when submitting your title transfer application. Next is title transfers must be done in person at your local county license plate office. Both buyer and seller should be present if possible. This helps avoid errors with paperwork. There is no online option for private sales. Financial institutions or dealers use electronic systems separately. And lastly, expect to pay the title transfer fee, often around $15 to $18 plus sales tax, when processing your documents. And you should complete the transfer within 20 days of purchase to avoid issues. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!